Hello mga kaibigan, mga ka-FB friends, mga ka-Timek at mga ka-IMG. Yes, madalas po nating marinig ang sinasabi ng ilan na kahit gaano man kahirap ang buhay, basta't sama-sama buo ang pamilya at walang nagkakasakit, masaya na. Iyan po ang dalangin ng kahit sino mang pamilyang Pilipino. Pero, may pero po yan. Wala pong excuse. Kahit sino pwedeng magkasakit anytime. Lalo na pagdating ng time na medyo nagkakaedad. Kaya baguhin na po natin yung mindset na yan. Kaya naman natin, huwag na nating masyadong pang panindigan yung ating paniniwala na kahit gaano kahirap, basta't buong pamilya, walang nagkakasakit, buhay ay sasarap. Mas maganda po na kahit gaano kahirap, sikapin natin na kahit unti-unti, kahit 20-20 lang araw-araw, unti-unti, ay mayroon tayong nai-invest. Hindi lang naiipon, kundi nai-invest.
Money cannot buy you happiness, but poverty cannot buy you anything. The Lord is always saying is this, it's spiritual poverty that you should fight. It is not financial independence. It's not financial abundance that is wrong. But what people do with richness and wealth, that's wrong. If you're doing right about it, then there's really no problem. Lagi mo maririnig yan. Money cannot buy you happiness. How many times have you heard that? Money cannot buy you happiness, but poverty cannot buy you anything. Diba? So ano gusto mo? Diba? Your mindset about money, kailangan pag-usapan yan. Kailangan gawan natin ng paraan. Kung talagang value yan, kung talagang importante yan, then let's make it important. But let's make it work correctly.
Kung gusto niyo na pong matuto pa more about IMG Financial Literacy, libre po ito. You just attend our online or virtual or face-to-face. Click the link above po sa post na ito para mag-guide ko po kayo. Happy learning!